Welcome back to the Jade Dragon podcast. I'm your host, David Lloyd, and today we're diving deeper into one of the most fascinating intersections of ancient and modern thought, the role of mitochondria in energy production, and how this scientific concept parallels the traditional Chinese medicine idea of qi. We'll explore the mechanisms of how mitochondria generate energy, how Qigong may influence mitochondrial health, and integrate Western scientific knowledge with ancient Chinese medicine to better understand vitality and well-being. In Chinese medicine, Qi is a fundamental concept that permeates all aspects of life and health. It's often described as the vital energy that flows through the body's meridians, maintaining harmony and balance. Qi governs physical, emotional, and spiritual vitality, and its smooth, balanced flow is essential for health. There are various forms of Qi in the body, including Yuan Qi. This is the original Qi, derived from the essence, or Jing, stored in the kidneys, which serves as the foundation of life. Gu Qi. This qi comes from food and is produced by the spleen and stomach during digestion. Zong Qi. This is the qi that arises from the combination of air from the lungs, along with food, nourishing the body and aiding respiration. Qi, in its essence, drives all bodily functions, including growth, metabolism, and protection against disease. When qi is abundant and flows smoothly, the body is in balance, and a person enjoys vitality, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Conversely, stagnation or depletion of qi can result in illness, fatigue, or emotional imbalances. In modern biology, energy production is most clearly explained through the work of mitochondria. These are specialized structures within nearly every cell in the human body. Their primary role is to convert nutrients into usable energy through a process known as cellular respiration. Let's break down the process of mitochondrial energy production. 1. Glycolysis. This is the first step, where glucose that is derived from food is broken down in the cell's cytoplasm. This process yields 2 molecules of ATP, which is the energy currency of the cell, along with pyruvate, which is then transported into the mitochondria. 2. The Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. This takes place inside the mitochondria. Here, pyruvate is broken down further, releasing high-energy electrons and more ATP. This cycle also produces electron carriers, which are crucial for the next step. 3. The electron transport chain, or ETC. This is where the magic happens. High-energy electrons are passed along the ETC, a series of protein complexes located on the inner membrane of the mitochondria. As electrons move down the chain, they release energy used to pump protons across the membrane, creating a gradient. 4. ATP synthesis. The protons flow back into the mitochondrial matrix through an enzyme called ATP synthase, driving the production of ATP. This process, called oxidative phosphorylation, generates the bulk of the ATP the body uses, typically producing up to 30 to 36 molecules of ATP for each glucose, or blood sugar, molecule. 5. The role of oxygen. Oxygen is the final electron acceptor in the electron transport chain. Without it, the chain would back up, halting ATP production. This is why breathing is so critical to energy production. Oxygen fuels the entire process. In essence, mitochondria are the body's energy factories, transforming nutrients and oxygen into ATP, which powers everything we do. In the Western perspective, fatigue, muscle weakness, and disease often result from mitochondrial dysfunction, as it impairs this energy production system. Now let's integrate this understanding of mitochondria with the Chinese medicine concept of qi. From a Western standpoint, ATP production and efficient mitochondrial function are essential for sustaining life. In Chinese medicine, this could be understood as maintaining a healthy and balanced flow of qi. So how do these perspectives overlap? 1. Qi as bioenergetic flow. Mitochondria produce the energy that sustains all bodily processes, much like qi is believed to flow through the body to sustain health and vitality. We can draw a parallel between the function of mitochondria and the idea of transformative qi, where food and air are transformed into usable energy, ATP. This qi drives physiological activities, digestion, respiration, circulation, and supports mental and emotional well-being. 2. Yuan qi and mitochondrial inheritance. Yuan qi is thought to come from the parents and is stored in the kidneys, fueling life's essential functions. This has an interesting parallel in modern genetics. Mitochondria contain their own DNA, which is inherited maternally. So, in a sense, both mitochondria and yuan qi are gifts from our parents, passed down to sustain our life force. 3. Qi stagnation and mitochondrial dysfunction. In Chinese medicine, qi stagnation refers to blockages in the flow of energy, often resulting in pain, stress, or illness. Similarly, mitochondrial dysfunction, where ATP production becomes inefficient, can result in fatigue, inflammation, and degenerative diseases. When we talk about improving the flow of qi, it could be likened to improving the efficiency of mitochondrial function. Now, let's dive deeper into how Qigong, a practice designed to cultivate and regulate qi, might directly influence mitochondrial health, linking ancient practices with modern science. 1. Enhanced oxygen utilization. Qigong emphasizes deep, diaphragmatic breathing, which increases oxygen levels in the blood. Mitochondria rely on oxygen to complete oxidative phosphorylation, meaning more oxygen leads to more efficient ATP production. By practicing Qigong regularly, one could theoretically enhance mitochondrial efficiency by ensuring a steady supply of oxygen. 2. Reduction of oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals outnumber the body's antioxidant defenses, damaging cellular structures, including mitochondria. Studies show that stress-reducing practices like Qigong can lower cortisol levels, which in turn reduces oxidative stress. By calming the nervous system, Qigong helps mitigate mitochondrial damage, preserving their ability to produce energy efficiently. 3. Regulating autophagy. Autophagy is the body's process of cleaning out damaged cells and regenerating new, healthy ones. Research suggests that Qigong may upregulate autophagy, which includes the removal of damaged mitochondria. This process is vital for maintaining healthy cellular function and preventing the decline in energy production associated with aging. 4. Improved circulation and nutrient delivery. In Chinese medicine, qi and blood are closely linked, and healthy circulation is necessary to nourish the organs and tissues. Qigong improves microcirculation, ensuring that mitochondria receive the nutrients they need, such as glucose and oxygen. This could be likened to improving the flow of qi, allowing energy to be produced and distributed efficiently. 5. Mental focus and neural regulation. The mental focus required in Qigong stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, known for promoting rest and repair functions in the body. This contrasts with the sympathetic nervous system, which dominates under stress. By maintaining a state of calm and balance, the body is better able to conserve and optimize its energy, which could indirectly support mitochondrial function by reducing the physiological wear and tear of stress. We are standing at an exciting crossroad between traditional wisdom and modern science. As researchers continue to study the effects of practices like Qigong, Tai Chi, and meditation, it's becoming clear that these ancient techniques are not just esoteric concepts, but tangible, scientific methods for maintaining health and longevity. Imagine a world where medical professionals prescribe Qigong to enhance mitochondrial health and boost energy levels, or where understanding Qi helps guide a treatment plan for fatigue or metabolic diseases. We're seeing the beginnings of this shift now, as integrative medicine incorporates energy work with molecular biology to offer more comprehensive healing. By viewing Qi and mitochondria through both the lens of traditional Chinese medicine and modern biology, we gain a deeper, richer understanding of energy and vitality. Mitochondria, as the physical drivers of cellular energy, may represent the scientific counterpart to Qi. And through practices like Qigong, we can not only cultivate Qi, but also support and optimize mitochondrial function. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode of the Jade Dragon Podcast. If you enjoyed this discussion and want to learn more about the integration of ancient practices with modern science, visit our blog or check out our courses. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a review on Apple Podcasts. It helps us reach more people interested in this blend of ancient and modern wisdom. Stay healthy, stay balanced, and I'll see you next time.